Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, obviously you guys can see it's about aviary because it's the winter season and reptiles are less active. So I decided to take some time and focus on this little guy right here. So here's him. His name is Peanut. A little sleepy right now, but he's about 2 months old, still in feeding formula as you can see in the back. I feed him twice a day, morning and night, pretty much. And I also have something for him later to unbox, so stay tuned. Alright, sorry I have to put you guys on the side, but he's fully awake now and ready to eat. What I do right now is just 1 spoon of the formula and pretty much 1.5 spoon of water, because he's in the age of weaning, so I don't worry much about the ratio, and it's way easier now. I used to have a syringe, but you know, it got old, so spoon would work just fine. I need to add some water, baby. Just wait, just wait. Alright, so this is how it looks like. And he's coming. He knows. Knows it's feeding time. Here. Hey, little boy. You enjoy your meal, baby? And that's that. He is done eating and always made a freaking mess. But as you can see right there, that's his crop and it is filled. As a baby, you never want to leave that empty, but I'm not worried about that too much now because he eats on his own when he's really hungry. Now he's just in the food coma process. Anyways, let's open his presents, shall we? Alright, so I ordered them from Amazon, obviously. So let's open them. You excited, little peanut? You excited? Alright, you gotta get up here. Alright, let's see. Oh, he just pooped right there. Alright. See what you got. So I got him a little travel bag right here. Looks pretty big. And a perch. Oops. And what's that? Let me see. Oh, that's just my toothbrush. Alright, let's set them up. Second item. And here they are. Took me a while to get this all screwed in, but got it done. And the travel bag is very self-explanatory, so it's quite easy to set up this one. Let's see if Peanut likes it or not. Come here, Peanut. And go to your little playground. Up, up, go. He has never seen anything like this, so probably gonna take a little while to get warmed up. But yeah, this is just set outside the cage so he can come out and have a little fun. I think he likes it. There's a little tray for him to poop on. Easy to clean. I'm more excited of this little thing so I can carry him around when I go out. Hey, Peanut, come here, come here. Go in there. It's pretty big for a cockatiel. A lot of space for him. Look, he just go right on the perch. Can close this. And yeah. A lot of space. Also, he just pooped. Alright, that will do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Look, he's just cleaning his belly right now. And I will promise you guys more videos of Peanut. So, subscribe. Thank you so much. See ya. Say bye.